There's an ancient place, it's the city of grace, where I lived as in a dream, where the elders prayed and the children played by the mountainside and stream. As I waved goodbye from the riverside, it was too much to take in. I could see the place and imagine the face of the young Tibetan God King. It's about a wish and no good beginning from a heart that has been done. When the line was crossed and the land was lost for the holy exiled ones. As I waved goodbye from the riverside, it was too much to take in. I could see the place and imagine the of the young Tibetan God King. I can hear the cry of the geese that fly between the mountains and the moon, and the flags that blow in Himalayan snow are carried like a haunting to you. As I waved goodbye from the riverside, it was too much to take in. I could see the place and imagine the face of the young Tibetan